If you want to add music or sound effects to your project, you have to hit the Audio tab. Once you hit the Audio tab, you'll see that there are other choices that you can choose from. Theme music is music that comes with the iOS device that Apple provides for free. Apple also provides some sound effects that you can use. The lists remaining below are songs that you can purchase through iTunes that you can add to your project as well. If you click on theme music, you'll see a bunch of different themes that correlate with the themes that we chose at the beginning of our project. If you click on one of the themes, it will allow you to preview that, or you can just upload that to your project immediately. When you upload a song to your project, it will automatically start at the beginning of your project. It will also be considered background music, so it will be softer than the actual audio on your clip. If you add a sound effect, it will automatically be uploaded to where your white vertical line is in your clip, and it will be considered foreground.